Alrighty, Speed, here's one of your 427 small block Fords. Give description is coming in. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Holley's got your high ram on it. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom around hydraulic roller. Got the Moroso sub ball pan. Got the blacked out pulley kit. Go in there, make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Built 3,600, 467 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 540, peak horsepower 587, rated 575. That's it's got the ram on it, our new head, so it runs good. Do not pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. Full of technical information, highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag, it'll have your engine number and some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code that'll take you to more tech stuff. Have a great day.